We start with the floor plan of the space. To get started, simply click or touch any red circle to open the tour in that location. Once in the tour, you can easily navigate around the space. Zoom in and out using the mouse wheel. Pan around by using the keyboard arrows left and right. Tilt by pressing the up and down keys. On mobile devices, use pinch gestures to zoom in and drag gestures to move around. Once you've explored the space you're in, open the Neighbour tab to see the other scan locations to view from. You can show more or less neighbours depending on your preference. Then simply click on the yellow ball to view the exhibits from that location. Repeat this process to explore the whole space. Geotags are virtual nameplates that contain more information about the exhibit. To view the geotags visible from that location, select the geotag icon from the left-hand menu. Hit the drop-down menu to see the names of the exhibit creators. Select the name that you want to see and you'll be taken straight to it. Here on the left you can see the catalogue number, the creator's name and the name of the exhibit. At the bottom you can click to view a high-resolution image. The photo can also be accessed by clicking directly on the geotag. A quick way to find an exhibit is by using the search and filter functions. Geotags show all of the exhibits. Assets contain links to all of the high-resolution images. Hit the filter button on the top right to bring up a list of all of the creators. Use the search icon to manually search for an architect or an exhibit name. To view their exhibit, select the Visible From link and the tour will open in the right place for you to see it. If you really want to get a sense of scale, use the measure feature to find out the dimensions of these tiny buildings. Open the Take Measurements section in the left menu and then click on the ruler. Simply select 2 points to measure the distance between them. The results are displayed in the menu along with their XYZ coordinates.